Hey guys, welcome back to tenorshare. Is your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo? Whether it happened during the iOS 18 update, due to full storage, or a system crash, we're here to help you fix it step by step and get your iPhone back to normal without losing any data. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive in. First, let's look at why your iPhone might be stuck on the Apple logo. And apart from a failed update, full storage is another important cause. If your storage is nearly full, it can easily cause your iPhone to freeze or get stuck during a restart or update, and causing data loss. So we need to fix it as soon as possible. The quickest way to try to fix your phone is to hard reset your phone. Here is how you do it. Click the volume up button and the volume down button. Then long press the power button until the Apple logo reappears. Let's try. Until the Apple logo reappears. This can help with minor system crashes, but it won't fix more serious problems. If a hard reset didn't work, try updating your iPhone with iTunes or use ReiBoot for a system repair without data loss. Method 2. Use iTunes to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. You can try updating your phone again to see if this works. First, connect your device to a computer and open iTunes. After this, you need to enter recovery mode on your phone. The process is similar to a forced restart, but you need to hold the side button longer. Release the buttons when the support interface displays, and iTunes prompts you about detected problems. Then you'll be presented with two options. If your phone didn't update it to the latest iOS, you could try the update option again. If this is not helping, or your phone is already updated to the latest version, you need to restore it, but this will cause data loss. You can wait for it to see what happened. If iTunes prompts you with an error that you can't update your phone and you don't want to restore your phone with it, you can try using ReiBoot to do a system repair to fix this without data loss. Method 3. Use ReiBoot to fix iPhone without data loss. ReiBoot is an iOS system repair tool I used for years. With its AI technology, it can fix over 150 issues for your Apple devices without losing your data. Here, I will give you a quick walkthrough. You can just download ReiBoot on your computer and connect your iPhone. If you want to fix your phone without data loss, you can click the green button here. Choose Standard Repair to avoid data loss. Deep Repair will cause data loss, but it also could repair more difficult problems. Let's try the Standard Repair first. If your phone can't be detected, follow the guide to enter recovery mode on your phone, just like hard reset, but press a little longer. And follow the on-screen instructions to download the matching firmware. Then you can repair your system. ReiBoot will fix the issue without causing data loss. Quick and easy. Okay, now your phone is back to normal and all your app and photos are saved. Now that your iPhone system is fixed, it's a good idea to free up some storage and regularly clear background apps, or next time it might have other issues. Okay, if you found success with any of these solutions, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful methods and tricks. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. See you in our next video.